In this video, you will see how to insert logo in header in Word document. As you can see, I have added a logo here in the Word document. And this logo can be moved anywhere freely inside the header, so you can place it anywhere you want. First, what you need to do is go to the Insert tab, then click on Picture and click on Picture from File, or for you it may be Picture from My Computer. Click on the picture and click on Insert to insert the picture. Now this picture may be very large, so you will need to resize the picture precisely. And once you resize the picture, just cut the picture, double click inside the header and paste the picture or logo inside the header. Now note that this header cannot be moved when you drag it anywhere inside the header. You can go to the Home tab. You can click on left, center and right to move the logo inside the header like this. But if you want to freely move this logo inside the header, you will need to right click on the header, then go to the wrap text option and select the option in front of text. After selecting this option, now you will be able to drag the logo anywhere inside the header as per your requirement. Once done, double click inside the header, and that's how you can easily insert logo in header in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to insert a line in header. See you again in the next one.